Hello and welcome to my kitchen. I'm Judith. Today we are going to spatchcock a chicken and then cook it on the barbecue. Or if you're southern, it's a grill. Now, if you don't know what spatchcocking is, it is basically cutting out the backbone and flattening out the chicken. So what we're going to do is turn the chicken over onto its breast and starting at the head end, the neck end, with a good sharp knife. Actually, I think we're going to start at the other end. Just go alongside the backbone. I think my chicken might still be a little frozen in there, but if you have a good sharp pair of scissors, kitchen shears, you can do it. Okay, then you can twist the backbone there. It's, yeah, a bit frosty in there still. We're kind of going up through the middle of the backbone. Makes it a little more difficult. So let's go to the other side. Okay. There we are. One backbone cut out. There's our chicken. Now I'm going to wash out because, like I said before, quite often the kidneys are left in because these are mechanically cleaned. Just give it a dry with some paper towel. Now, you have to flatten the chicken. So what we want to do, get a good sharp knife and cut partly into the breastbone there at the top. To the cartilage. Now we're going to turn the chicken over. Put the wings under. Try and make them tidy. And just press down on the breastbone. And there it goes. And then your legs are all nice and splayed to the sides. And then we have a nice pan to put it in. Away. Now that we've got our chicken spatchcocked, I'm going to coat it with a spice rub on both sides. So let's flip them back over. And this is a spice rub I just made. It is paprika, chili powder, garlic powder, salt, Maggie's Season Up for Chicken, or if you don't have that, which is apparently a Jamaican item, I got it from a friend of mine that's from Jamaica. You could use seasoned salt. Facing you the wrong way, there we go. A little bit of a tear in the skin, that's okay. And actually, on the skin side, I am going to oil it a little bit. Because this is going to be face down on the grill, to start with at least. And we really don't want it sticking. Of course, if your grill is well seasoned and oiled, you shouldn't have an issue. I just tend to be afraid that it's going to stick every single time. And be generous with your spice rub. So to cook our chicken, it is going to go skin side down on the grill to start with. Once we get a good char going on the skin side, we are going to flip it over, and then we are going to brush the skin side with our harissa paste, which we made about a week or so ago.
If you're wondering why you would want to spatchcock a chicken, it's basically butterflying a chicken. It's because it makes the chicken cook faster. So a spatchcock chicken will cook in half the time as the same weight chicken will cook if it's whole. It makes it more tender, juicier, and the skin will be crispier and it's a fun thing to do. I hope you liked the video, and I'll see you again soon. Thank you.